Hey witches, so apologies for the appearance. I have not been feeling the best over the last couple of days. I'm kind of on the mend, I think, now, so that's good, but yeah, super sorry, but this is what I look like usually. Anyways, today I'm going to be talking you guys through how I make lavender sachets. These are pretty straightforward, but I will go through kind of like a way you can like make it a little bit more witchy, I guess. Okay, so lavender sachets are super good for bringing about a peace of, or a sense of peace of mind, for good dreaming. That's kind of like what lavender really is known for, I guess, especially magically. And just kind of getting you into that calm space. So on my self-care altar is right next to the side of the bed I lie on and sleep on, I guess. So I'm going to be putting mine there, and I'll show you that at the end. But all you're going to need, and this is kind of even so, just the extra step, I suppose. You'll need some dried lavender buds. These I got at my local metaphysical shop. So if you can't source lavender, you might want to check there. At your metaphysical shop, obviously. Next, you'll need one of these little bags, they're like a gift bag or something that, like, usually I see people putting like those like colored almonds and stuff for like weddings. That's kind of like what these are. You can get them at the dollar store. So just like a little organza bag. Then you will need, I'm putting an amethyst chip in mine. I don't know if you can see that, amethyst, yay. And this came from my Witch Wednesdays in bulk, came from my Witch Wednesdays in bulk box. So it'll be nice to have this to put in, you can like kind of repurpose it a little bit. And then the last thing I recommend, and this is completely up to you, is either getting some incense. This is from a local company if you guys want to check them out. Really great incense, super like them. I have a white candle, so this is used to kind of charge it with my intent to be peaceful and bring me like good dreams and stuff like that, because I've been having some problems sleeping. But anyways, lavender, and I'm just gonna put some in here. And these are nice. You can make these non-magically too, because they smell amazing. So like you can put them in like your sock drawers or in your drawers to make your clothes smell good, or your closet and stuff like that. So it doesn't always have to be witchy. Sometimes it can be a little bit more functional as well. So put in that. I don't want to use all of it because I need a little bit for later. Okay. So that. And then you'll take your amethyst and you'll just put it in the bag and then close it up. And then I knot these 3 times. So I'm just going to kind of shake that in there, really get the amethyst nice and surrounded by all the petals, and then tie this 3 times to seal in your intent, all while thinking about what you would like this sachet to do. Which in this case would be like preventing nightmares and having pleasant dreams. Okay, so then once you have your sachet, you'll take your white candle and you'll light it. You can drip some wax onto there if you want, if that helps you with sealing in your intent. I don't find it necessarily, I suppose. So you'll use this to charge this maybe on your altar during one of the moons, either new moon or full. And then you can place it about your house. You don't have to do it if you don't want to charge it during the moons. You obviously don't have to. Not all witches follow the lunar cycle, so it's kind of up to you. But it might be kind of like a nice way to start dipping your toe into ritual work and sachet making. So there's that candle. I'm gonna go blow this out, and then I'm gonna go show you this on my altar. Okay guys, and here is where it is sitting on my self-care altar. You can see all right there. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions about making sachets or any sort of thing like that. And I'll be catching up with you guys tomorrow with some more herb lore. See you guys later. Bye.